How to use CapCut AI features. So I'm going to quickly cover how to use them in this video. So first you want to open up your CapCut project and load in your video and import your media. Now the most common AI tools in CapCut, first let's start by the captions. And this will basically auto-generate captions for your videos. So you can click on Captions tab here, then click on Auto Caption. Select the spoken language in the video. Can also generate bilingual captions, but this will require a pro subscription on CapCut, like most AI features. And then all you need to do is click on the generate button here, and this will start generating the captions and place them on top of the video. So you can see the captions as you play your video. You can also adjust the captions if you select them and pick presets, font size, and all of that stuff from here. The next feature is the AI voice. So for example, you want the AI to say these captions instead of the original video voice. And to do that, you'll need to select the generated captions and then click on text to speech from the right side panel here. Now you can pick from trending, new, TikTok, or whatever category and pick a voice from all of these available options here. So for example, you can add favorites and pick them from here and click on generate speech. And this will start generating the AI voiceover. And then you would generally place the AI voiceover under the video so that it plays the AI voice instead of the original video voice, where you can select the video and go to the audio tab and mute its volume here so that only the AI voice is playing. And the next AI feature, which is the most popular, is the background removal tool. So you can click on your video or whatever media in your timeline and then click on Remove BG tab here. And then you want to check Auto Removal. And this will basically process and remove the background. And the next thing is the AI Enhancer. So you can select your media or video, and in the basic tab here, you can select and check enhance quality. Then you can pick the quality level, and it will take a few minutes to basically process and improve the quality. And the last feature I want to mention in this video is the AI video generator. So you can click on the media tab here, and then click on the generate menu from the left panel. And then you want to click on AI video. And from here, you will be able to describe or add a prompt. You can also upload multiple images to use as reference. And then you would select the resolution. Usually the highest resolution requires pro subscription. And the duration of the video is with a max duration of 15 seconds, the aspect ratio. And once you've added all the references and the prompt, can basically hit generate here, and this will generate video from the prompt, whether it's image to video, text to video, multi-frames, or omni reference. And then you'll be able to use the generated video on your timeline and edits. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.